Insightful wisdom from former U.S. President on learning Mandarin. George H. W. Bush, during his time as U.S. Ambassador to China, viewed learning Chinese as a way to bridge cultural gaps and build friendships. In the China Diary of George H. W. Bush, he emphasized the importance of learning Chinese to connect with 800 million talented individuals. Be patient and persistent. Bush understood that language acquisition takes time. He committed to daily practice, engaging in conversations, and studying Pinyin, which helped him make steady progress despite challenges. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. His journey taught him the value of embracing mistakes. Bush and his wife, Barbara, often teased each other about their accents, creating a light-hearted atmosphere that made learning enjoyable. A humorous exchange with diplomat Xiao Guanhua illustrated his open-minded approach. Encouragement and praise matter. Bush received significant support from friends who offered playful yet encouraging remarks about his progress, which boosted his confidence. They highlighted that encouragement can transform challenges into manageable tasks, motivating learners to persevere. Using live teachers when necessary, Bush and Barbara hired a skilled Chinese teacher, Tang Xiaochun, who provided structured lessons. He found joy in learning, even feeling reluctant to miss classes. A supportive teacher can ignite passion and enhance the learning experience. Bush also encouraged his family to learn alongside him, fostering a joyful and engaging environment. He recognized that learning a language is a continuous journey, enriching not only communication but also cultural connection and understanding. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese, sign up for a free trial class, and I will always be ready to help.